Today we're going to cover how to create a survey using the Good Map. On the left toolbar, you see all the different topics we have. Each one of these are surveys for people to enter information about a topic and resource. So let's get right into it. I'm going to log in into my account. I'm already logged in. After that, I'm going into settings, then clicking into surveys. And at the top right, there's this yellow button. I'm going to click new survey. And that should take me to this blank form where I can begin to enter the name and the description, and then begin to add different fields of what the survey is going to include right here. So first, just take a look at this page. There's this card that encompasses the form, and inside of the card there are text boxes where we can add different text, and below this white bar right here we have two options: to build and to configure. Configurations are normally set to the way we already want them, so no need to fix that. And then the build is, as it says, to build the survey questions. So to start, we are going to add a name and a survey description. So I'm going to put peace and safety as the topic. The description should be a short invitation explaining why people should fill out the survey and what we do with the information. So I'm going to state that it takes a village to grow a community, so share about supports you know that can keep our neighborhood safe and peaceful. The information you share is made public, but you can remain anonymous. As I scroll down here, I'm going to click on this title, and that will give me an opportunity to change that into a new thing. So what I'm going to do is, instead of title, I want to start with a question. I pose the question: if your friend is in a non-crime or violence-related emergency that needs intervention, where would you recommend they go for assistance? Now I want this question to be big and bold when they see the survey, so I'm going to click on this little H box for header, and I'm going to make sure that this is a large header, and that would make this text a lot bigger. Now as I go down to the bottom of this form, I'm going to add and close and keep it moving. Next, the description, I'm going to change to phone number. I'm going to click add and close and keep it moving. I'm going to add a new field because we want more than just those two questions on the survey. Once you click add new field, you're going to see options of the different types of questions that we can ask. I'm going to add a long text, and I'm going to name this field contact person. I'm going to click add and close, and I'm going to add more fields, long text. The next one is going to be URL or web link. Remember, these are all related to the service and the resource that someone would provide. The next one we're going to add is another long field called the address. For now, we're just going to have them write out the address, and that's good enough for this stage. We're going to add another field entitled more information. Now, as you can see, this white box allows us to add a subtitle description under that big name header. So on the survey, they would see more information, and the description we want to put here is any additional instructions or hints on how to access the resource. I don't need to change the header on this one because it's okay if it looks small. I'm going to click add and close to keep it moving, and that is what the survey would look like. We have a question, a phone number, contact person, URL or web link, the address to the location, and more information. These are the 6 questions that we are asking them. Next, we're going to move away from this card, and as you see outside of this area, there's a button to add a task. We're going to click that now to allow the VIP team member to locate the exact address once the information is submitted and sent to us. The task is only visible to VIP team members, not to the public. So the name of this task is going to be location address, and the description for it are instructions on how to manage the task. I'm going to require that this task be completed before visible to the public because the address information needs to be verified on the map for it to show up on the Good Map. So this is a requirement. Posts should not go live without a physical address. I'm going to click add and close a new card below the other survey, And this is the task. It's called location address. Find the location of the service on the map by matching the exact address before information goes live. And I can click to add a field. This time it's not going to be a long text. It's going to be a location field. And what this does is it allows for the map to trigger a location when we enter the address. And that would finalize the survey. So it's as simple as that. I'll click save on the top right, and that will complete the survey.